There is a reason this product gets mixed reviews. But before we dive into whether this bandsaw is right for you, let me be clear: if you're a beginner looking for a super cheap bandsaw to do tiny woodworking projects with, this isn't it. The price is over $2,900, and the weight of this bandsaw is around 150 pounds, so it's definitely not something you're going to want to mess around with if you're going to be moving in and out of your workshop frequently. It's heavy, it's big, and it's meant for serious woodworking projects. So what does it do, exactly? The JWBS-15-3 has a large 15-inch resaw capacity that's enough space to cut through 14-inch wide boards, which is perfect for creating decorative edges or rip-cutting your project panels. The precision ground cast iron table doesn't wobble at all, even with big pieces of wood on it, and it provides the stability and support you need to get reliable results. The fence system is super adjustable, with a micro-adjustable side plate that lets you get precise, repeatable cuts time after time. But when you're working with big pieces of wood, it's the guides that are most important, and the JWBS-15-3 delivers with its toolless, independently adjustable upper and lower ball bearing guides. They are incredibly smooth and make it a real joy to work with, even when you're cutting through some pretty hardwood. And let's not forget the blade itself. The rigid four-sided guide post with rack and pinion adjustment is designed to optimize blade stability and tracking, keeping your cuts smooth and consistent. It's also worth mentioning the tensioning on this bandsaw. It's got a heavy-duty system with a quick release that's got 3 settings, and it's easy to adjust with the big, ergonomic knobs and the cast iron handwheels. With the JWBS-15-3, making adjustments is a smooth, painless process that doesn't require a lot of strength or manual dexterity. Now, I know what you're thinking: who would need a beast like this in their workshop? Well, if you're a serious woodworker with a large project list and a need for precision and reliability in your cuts, the JWBS-15-3 is an excellent choice. You're probably looking to do a fair amount of resawing, veneer slicing, and precision cutting, and your shop is set up with a lot of heavy-duty equipment that can handle the weight and bulk of this bandsaw. You might even be doing some serious industrial woodworking projects, like creating custom parts for large machinery. That being said, there is one thing to be aware of: if you need an extremely quiet bandsaw, this one's not the best choice. The motor runs pretty loudly. It's not unbearable, but it's definitely noticeable. But, if you're working with big, heavy pieces of wood like I mentioned earlier, it's likely not a huge issue for you. But let me tell you, there's just no substitute for a big, powerful bandsaw like this JWBS-15-3 when you need to get big jobs done. With its precision ground cast iron table, micro-adjustable fence system, and heavy-duty tensioning, this is the real deal, the kind of equipment that serious woodworkers have come to expect from a top-of-the-line bandsaw. If you're ready to step up your woodworking game and take on bigger, more complex projects with confidence, the JWBS-15-3 is waiting for you. So, see the latest deal using the link in the description.